family from Nigeria. They buy, in fact, the full family, they clear am. Which wickedness be this? Wetin reach am? Wetin real? I don't really understand. Wetin reach am? Can they for talk something? Wetin una fit say real reach am? They say whether na assassin, they assassin them. Full family. One not remain. Which kind of word is this? Which kind of wickedness is this? Wetin be this? A Christmas period, a fete period, happy period, joy period. It's mine. Somebody just hire una. Say una go buy this person. Some people wait. So when God they share conscience, where una they go? Where una they? Some people not just they think of una children. You can get mind today and do something. What about your children? Can't you think of say this thing? If it can't happen to maybe I succeed, nobody feel succeed, kill me. What about your child? What about your child? A whole Christmas period, a whole fete period. You go short this family, entire family on a clearance. My people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today I'm first time coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe if you like this house. Okay, if you like what I do and what I bring comment and how I be and how I take use my broke it in naka. Yes, I be mother of two living at the state France. Yes, so I bring this news come out. I see am today when they talk say this family they wipe them up out. Say they close for church. Then they reach house. As they reach house, now this on men when they don't know on no men. How they speak am people. When they pay people, when they say with if they give them million, they give their thousands, they give them anything, they can take someone's life. If you can't give life, don't take someone's life. If devil, they do well in you, or you are desperate to ride Lamborghini, or you are desperate to belong to big boys, or you are desperate to ride Hummer Jeep, or at least remember we are all God's creator. Remember, it's only God who gives life and who can take life. If you can't give life, don't take anybody's life. I know those people when they do it. If now come across this my YouTube channel or this my video, human be like fish for una eye. Human be like crayfish for una eye. But on our last day, I know our God is a merciful God. But waiting you know say they not do you. If they do your brother, or they do your sister, or they do your child, I think that one they carry that day for Nigeria, when they carry for Bayelsa State, when you say wife just born, but that day, it be like a rat when fall for inside water, it may pull it. But when I go, they do when I go inside this feed, they do one. Now no think of human being. Human being go be like animal, meat. When I just feel eye. How could no matter what this man do? I know say some people they get mad, they go do something, but no matter what this man do, fete period. They say they work for Nigeria. Central bank say go don't match a lot of people go don't no matter what have right to go and take the entire family. What did the wife do you? Can you express yourself? What did the wife do you? They are blood God. Meanwhile, if you hear, I pray you will never go in free. You must receive it. God, you must expose. You must be exposed. Whether you like it, no matter how you hide, you must be exposed. This family will haunt you. See you expose. How could you just wipe entire family? Why? Entire family. My people, they say this family close for a New Year crossover. Then they reach out. As they reach out, government enter. If na real thief not the key. Yes. Now when you drag with thief will kill you. Thief not the key. They come to collect your money. If na normal thief come, now money they will collect. They go. Then they say they buy this man and wife. They set fire for the house when they come on. Then they kidnap, and this family, so they get 2 children. One died last year. Oh. People are really wicked. They get 2 boys. One died last year. Then the remaining surviving one, they carry the boy when they stay with them. Carry them, set fire for the house, then carry them come out. As they carry them come out, they throw away there for inside river. They tie their hand. They throw away there for inside river. But the surviving child, oh God, wake am back, God. Oh, it pay me. The remaining of their child now, they tie a hand. They throw am for inside river with the boy wants they stay with them. Then the boy is struggle. The other one struggle to come out. Maybe if he lose her in your hand. Then the surviving one, the only their child when he's supposed to remain, he die. You know, make am. And this estate, when they stay, the estate they secure. Okay. If the estate stays secure, how manage those killer get asset fit enter inside? Now wetin we wan ask ourselves. The estate, is dey secure? Those killers, because those people, they no be thief, they no be armed robber. Armed robber, they come to steal you, not to kill you. Okay, those assassin when they hire, if that estate, if no be say somebody dey inside that estate, or the security person when dey inside that estate, e join hand together to fit take get this family. Okay, when they come, they carry them, they come out. Wetin I wan still know. When they say they carry them, they come outside. Carry these two children. When they succeed, how come they fit take go out from the estate? Because I know Nigeria estate gate, they always dey. They'll put security there. Me, I not really understand. If you understand, please drop your comment in the comment section. How they will fit take do am? Abi the gate man they sleep. If the devil they sleep, he must lock the gate. Because the news not talk now say they buy the gate man. The news not talking. They find their way enter. They find their way come out. My people, they say police don't they inside, they investigate. When a rich man, if they ever investigate, the family when they don't wipe, and will ever come back. My people, now waiting me they ask. Since when you see this news, I they ask myself, okay, police don't they inside and they investigate. The family when they don't wipe, the wife kill the husband, by the only surviving son when they first still get, okay, it go start today, bear their name. They wipe their entire name. It will never work for now. Not be me go swear for now. Our creator, he dey see the handwork una do. And una say they call assassin. May una buy people, may una take people life. Remember, when your own time reach, no heart go for pity for you. Talk of human being when God create. Because if you get that kind of mind, take life. No be one, no be two, three. You wipe the entire family. Whether na work when you work for Central Bank of Nigeria, it pay una. Now una take wipe am. You and God. If anybody do you something, you get right to cry, you get right to vex, you get right to call your creator, then hand over it to God, then avoid that person. For you to take somebody's life, no, avoid that person, give that person, in fact, 100 yards, no near that person. Now so maybe, give am, wetin go come they make you they feel bad, or you they see am, give am, in fact, distance that person, then focus on your life. For you to take life, for you to do a juju, or for you to call assassin, no. Because if that person, like this man when they clear entire family, if he don't feel clear before, you don't feel buy person before, you when you buy him, all the marks see, don't dey your head. Yes. All the marks see, it don't dey your head. If the man will feel buy person life before, that make it's not good to take someone's life. The life when you devil they live, the sin when you they commit every day, everything could dey your head. You will talk, you say, God have mercy. God have, you over do something, talk of your just car kick gun. Which hungry, Risha? You want drive car. Now, people when they do all those, they don't be hungry. They not just be normal hungry. They use those people when they don't see food eat. You know, they support them. But the real people when get this mind, now people when they social media, now quote me for anywhere. That day when they catch that Bayasa guy. No, be not see social media. Hustle, make they go they buy people. Person go travel, go Nigeria now kidnapper. Person go dey Nigeria now, no be say you get the money, una kidnap am. If they don't see the money, una buy. Our government, Nigeria, una just there now. Vote APC, PDP, may una vote. May una receive sense. As God will take they punish those people, all those assassin people, when they buy people, now so God go still face to now. Because yes, why they talk? I know say no be only leaders they do am, workers too. If all our Nigeria people that they work, you go hospital now. Doctor will tell you say go that clinic. Go do test for the knife clinic when they open. But why would they put everything for our government? Now our government is supposed to regulate all those things. Doctor, if you be doctor, as far you don't have right. If your entire family, for me, if I get opportunity to rule for that country, if you are a doctor, you don't have right to have clinic. No. Jamais. Friends say jamais. Or clinic, pharmacy, as far you are a doctor, anybody close to you, your relation, your son, your children, your wife don't have opportunity to get that clinic. Except your wife read pharmacy. Now go agree. My law, that be that. My law. You will go hospital now, you want to go do test, now they go they refer you. And if you ever refer anybody, you see this France when I don't divert. Yes, that's what they break something. If they send you to general hospital, now government, now doctor for house, now government they pay, not be you they pay. Now card you get to give doctor. Except you know they renew that card. You want to go pay, you'll pay. But now card. That card and government will pay doctor by the end of the month. Doctor go write medicine for you, go send you go pharmacy. If our country, a lot of things what our country need to do. If they want call police now police they go call. secretary. They will direct police go where they want go. Police go bring the matter. They will handle it to the table. Not be police when go carry you for fight. Now you go handle the matter. No. Other police. That matter, the police when even they go outside, they don't forget about that matter. Now table police, office police, now they go do it. And how the matter take on, so they will take handle it. If my country can come like that, I will be the happiest person. Because see this family wipe out. And if now Europe, now this thing for happen. I never see him for news. See our president we stand up. He sent condolence to the death. I not see him. Only one person I died for France. He said last 3 months. Macron stand up. He sent condolence and he go visit the family. An investigation. Immediately they pick the killer. If our country be like that, I believe a lot of crime it go reduce. As they do that, they catch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they go run, they go reduce. But either they do and if they will catch, they will use money, they will use innocent people to pay them. They will pay them. They don't mind, they will pay their last kobo, billions, give the Oga police, they will free them. They will not come for me because as I did hear me, they vex. I can't wait my country to turn. If not even money, we know they ask too much. Security, lights, road. Those are the things we ask for that our country. See a entire family wipe. It can be anybody tomorrow. Now this person will come out now when we they talk. You bow now the governor never will reach the house. Governor never will reach the house talk of president. And people now this one I get to talk. Drop your opinion. Wait till you think about it. It good. Wait till they do so. May their soul rest in peace. It really pay me. This one I get to talk. See you in my next video. Ciao.
Oh my God, this is so sad. This is a sad news. 1st of January 2023. God, this is crazy. Fucking crazy, God. Ah. My God. Hey, it's in my house. So me, I don't want to come out. Oh God, Jesus. Hey.
Since power over me is broken, since power